In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious spaghetti with garlic and oil recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cooked spaghetti, 1 cup of fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 5 garlic cloves shredded. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add the garlic and saute. Add in the red pepper flakes. Add half of the parsley and continue to saute. Add in half a cup of water. Add in the cooked spaghetti noodles and mix until completely coated. Add in the Parmesan and mix. Season with the salt and the pepper. Our spaghetti with garlic and oil is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.